stay ahead of the machine revolution.
In order to understand the universe, you must explore the universe. And that's the motivation to accelerate humanity's future in understanding the universe and extending the light of consciousness to the stars.
This keynote, TERAFAB, an ambitious collaborative effort between Tesla, SpaceX, and SAI designed to scale global compute capabilities to support the future of a multi-planetary civilization. Key takeaways from the announcement. The goal: to solve the critical shortage in AI compute by building the capacity to produce a terawatt of compute per year. Strategy: Advanced Technology Fab, a state-of-the-art facility in Austin, Texas that integrates memory, packaging, and lithography mask production into a single recursive loop, enabling significantly faster design improvements. Space deployment: given power constraints on Earth, the project aims to leverage space-based solar power, where it is always sunny and energy collection is more efficient, to host a terawatt of compute. Massive payload capability: the Starship rocket is essential to the plan, providing the transport necessary to reach a goal of 10 million tons to orbit per year. The future of AI and robotics. The project focuses on two primary chip types: one for edge inference, to power Optimus humanoid robots and vehicles at scale, and another for high-power, space-optimized compute. Beyond the terawatt, the vision extends to the moon, where Elon Musk envisions using an electromagnetic mass driver to send compute hardware into deep space without relying on traditional rockets, potentially scaling the economy 1,000 times further.
Comment your answer below. Subscribe now and stay ahead of the machine revolution.